We need drivers to remember this rule of thumb for all emergency vehicles. If we've pulled over, you must move over. That's this week's Bloomington Police Department's traffic tip of the week.
For emergency personnel, busy roadways are often where they spend most of their time.
Generally, our office is our car, and part of our business is on the street. Most of the dealings that we have with the public are stopping vehicles. Stopping vehicles for us is a danger, and also a danger for vehicles that pass us.
Whether it's distraction, gawkers, or uneducated motorists, failure to move over for emergency vehicles is becoming a growing problem.
We have had in the past troopers and officers killed or hurt because people do not pull to the left. Most people in general, when they see emergency lights, tend to go in the direction of the lights. We would rather see you go to the left of the lights. Give us some room.
In 2000, Minnesota State Patrol Corporal Ted Foss was struck and killed by a semi-truck while conducting a traffic stop on a busy freeway south of the Twin Cities. It was shortly thereafter, state legislature passed the Ted Foss Move Over Law.
The details of the law are if there's more than 2 lanes in your same direction, you must move 1 lane over to the left. If you can't do that, if it's just basically a 2-lane, in either direction, you have to slow down. That goes for highways and city streets.
Disobeying the Ted Foss Move Over Law can cost motorists up to $150 in fines, but more importantly, it can injure and end lives. When they're pulled over, move over.